Hello everyone, myself Afif Palawka and you are watching video about football tactics. So basically there are many styles and formation in which a team can play. In this video, I am going to explain counter attack and tiki-taka style of football. So counter-attacking football is mostly played with 4-2-3-1 formation. Teams like Manchester United and Real Madrid uses this more oftenly. So basic requirement for this is pace. Because if your forward player pace, then they can beat defenders by the speed is the most major factor in that. For example, you need players like Rashford and Vinicius Junior that have pace in their boots. So counter attack, it is most devastating brand of football. In this you defend deep like this, allowing opposition players to come forward with the ball and then winning the ball in somewhere midfield or in defense. And what you do is as there is a lot of space behind, like here is lot of space behind. There are only two defenders here, and your players are already forward like this, like this, like this. There is ample of space here. So when you steal the ball in midfield, this player, this player or this player winning the ball and passing it directly to this player like this. So as there is a lot of space in behind, as the opposition has committed player forward, our player will counter attack and score the goal. It's that simple. So next type of play is tiki-taka style of play. In this you pass the ball from one player to another player until you get a space in opposition half. Normally tiki-taka is played with 4-3-3 formation in which there must be a holding midfielder to allow to give license to this to another midfield player to go forward and create something for the forward players. So basically you pass the ball from one player to another player to this player to this player to this player to this player just to create space in opposition half, and once the space is created you score a goal. After some time your plays look like this. Your center backs come forward up to the center circle or sometime even beyond that to as you can see the position players are so much deep into their half. They are forced to play deeper because of the quality of the play of tiki taka. You basically pass the ball from one player to another player to another player, some sideways passing, some backward passing. Sometime you try to give long ball to these players. You basically try to create space in forward line to destroy the formation, to destroy the discipline of the opposition players through this passing. One of the major factor in this is your off ball movement. As see this number 9, he receives space in behind, he will try to run in the space. And if the ball, say the ball is with this number 8 player, so he sees the space in behind for this number 9 player. So what he will do, he will just throw the ball to this gap, and you can see ball is defenders are here. The ball is here. So this number 9 player will go run forward and just score the goal. Famous idiom: if opposition haven't got the ball, they can't score. This tiki-taka play is based on this only. You have 60 to 70% possession so that you can destroy the opposition team. This was first developed by famous Dutch legend Johan Cruyff. Spain national team and Barcelona got great success by adopting tiki-taka brand of football. As Spain won the 2010 World Cup by adopting this football, and Barcelona also won Champions League and La Liga several times, as they were having great technical players like Xavi and Iniesta and Messi also in their team. This technique, they there must be some very good technical player to play this football. Otherwise, your team will get destroyed because it need some quality, great quality to play this football. It is a very attractive and mesmerizing style of football. If you see it, you will just love it. Very emerging game in India, as India also hosted Under 17 World Cup in 2017 and started its own league named ISL, Indian Super League. Thanks for watching.